Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly replace video on a timeline in Canva. Now, when you're having videos on your timeline, you don't necessarily have to click on the video, delete the video, and replace them. You can easily go ahead find a new clip that you want to add. So let's say I want to use this video clip here. I can just simply go ahead and click on the clip on the left side. If you have the video on the videos that you search for or you have it under your upload, it doesn't matter. Once you have the video available on the left side, you can click and drag it onto that next clip. Once you do that and let it go, it's going to replace it for you. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and replace your video clips. Let me just make this smaller so that you can see. Yeah, you can easily go ahead and replace your video clips in Canva the way you want. So that's it, guys. That's how to easily replace video clips in Canva. Go ahead and just find it, drag it over the video, and it's going to replace. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.